put this puppy back together. So look, that thing just snaps in there like that. Close it up. Put our mirror back in. So the orientation of the mirror, there's a little dip here, and then that same dip is in this visor itself. So now we're just gonna snap this thing back in place just like that. Now, okay, so now you might ask, well, where does our tucking tool come into play? And I'll show you that in a quick second. Make sure the thing's sitting in there real nice. Okay, there we go. You have to tuck those edges right underneath this thing, and that's another place where your flathead will come into play, or your tuck tool as well. Either one of these will do the trick. I like the tuck tool. One reason you don't take the chance of poking your material, because it has the rounded edges there. So it gives it a nice even feel there. But right here is where it's very important. You want to be able to push this extra material right into there. And that gives it that nice factory look. Yes. Bam. That's beautiful, guys. I ended up with one little wrinkle here. We're going to fix it real quick. If you look right there, there's a small wrinkle there. And I am a perfectionist, so I got to fix that. Now, the glue hasn't fully set yet, so we're going to be able to pop that out and reseat it right in there, just like that. Check all the edges, make sure it looks beautiful. Looks great. And that closes up just like a little book. Now, I'm going to show you where we're going to use our hot melt. We're going to open it up one more time. Just not fully. Open it up a little bit there. Right there. And then we're going to take the hot melt and we're going to put it right on the inside track. Just a little bit there. Give it a nice little bead. Yes. Now, and then real quick, I'm going to close it up so while it's already hot, it's going to cool and seal this thing. Got a little sweat on the visor there. All right, guys. You can check it out. It's headliner magic. And this is what we do. Came out nice and beautiful, guys. V-class Mercedes visors. Looking great. And that's it. Just want to tell you guys, appreciate you for watching the channel. It's Headliner Magic, and we'll be back with more of these types of videos to help you guys succeed in what you want to get done. All right.